just to give context to the people who are listening it for the first time, I'll just take 30 seconds. Okay, so ये देखिए आपका ये जो डिस्क प्रोफाइल का टेस्ट में I've just given. आपको मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है?
Yes, it's clear.
See, it says I, and अगर आप देख रहे हो 7 on 7 I आया है, because that's why I call myself a strong I, right? Whereas the other areas are weaker, and then of course I've got my entire profile here. Or just to give context how accurate this can help. See, at the end there is nothing called as wrong or right. See, this is our test from Ravi Kapoor sir, which again said I was 7 on 7. And then other parameters were less than the 4 thing. That's why it is only a strong I profile. So if I really look at the number scores, 2, 7, 1, 4, I see 2, 7, 1, 4 only in a different order, but 7 still remains as the most dominant one. Right? And what I was also reading is it is absolutely accurate. It defines. At the same time, if I get to know this is how I am, so then I can definitely work on the areas I'm weak at and then try and see to either delegate those areas or become strong by becoming conscious about it. So that's how my 30 seconds.
Okay, so you did this new test. I think it was very shorter test as compared to the other ones.
Oh, yeah. It just got over in probably 5 minutes or 3 minutes or something like that.
Right, yeah. And the results are almost same as you said. It's nothing much different.
Yeah. Exactly. So a strong recommendation, everybody must go through it. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing. So basically there's no difference with the other tests which you have done. And ये तो और जल्दी भी हो जाता है, सबके लिए आसान भी है ये करना.